Okay, so hi dear Leo, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a career reading for all the Leo Sun Moon Venus rising from today till the mid of September 2025. Okay, want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So let's start. Let's start with your health. That's the most important thing you should be taking care of. Let's see for your health what we have, Leo. Oh no, I have to reshuffle, honey. So we have the world card. Okay. So there is some kind of issue that keeps on coming back in circles in your health area, right? It keeps on coming back. It's like when you are about to get healed, maybe you drop the idea of healing it properly because you feel better, and it's not going anywhere. It's coming in like, okay, again and again and again. For some of you, you might have tried everything possible from your side to heal something. Might be you have taken help from global doctors or other from other country people, other country doctors and medical practitioners and everything. But this is something that's not going anywhere. It's coming back in circles, and you're kind of tired. The good thing here is that you are feeling like you are about to get the solution here, or you are feeling like you are about to heal it properly, but something is here that's still not going. For some of you, it's a vertigo problem, balancing problem. You feel like your head keeps on spinning, or a lot of overthinking is there all the time, continuously. See, when we read tarot, honey, let me tell you a secret. Whatever image you see on the tarot, you just connect with that image. This is a circle, this body is trapped in this circle. You might be feeling your body is not open enough. You can say body pain, fatigue all the time, tired, all and it's happening a lot for you guys. But this is something you heal it, it keeps on coming back. You heal it, it keeps on coming back. It's like a cycle repeating itself again and again and again. Okay, so you have to go to the root of the problem. Just medicinal healing is not going to help you. Just medical healing maybe, or just take popping up the antidepressants, or popping up the multivitamins or something is not going to help you. You have to go to the root cause of the problem and figure it out. That's very important for you to understand. The guidance here is the Five of Cups. Instead of getting worried about it all the time, instead of feeling sad about what you were not able to do about this situation, start with whatever you have right now, Leo, and try to figure out other ways. Maybe take help from naturopathy, Ayurveda, alternative medicines. But try to go to the root cause of the problem. Maybe stress, maybe anxiety, maybe trauma, maybe you not being able to take care of yourself, or maybe lack of physical activity. What is the root cause of this problem? That is the most important factor that you should be focusing on and working on the roots. Try to take help from Ayurveda and naturopathy. It helps a lot. Okay, according, you can consult a doctor or somebody. Alternative medicine you can try detoxification and something like that. But instead of crying over spilled milk that you cannot get back, try to start from whatever you have right now and work on that. Nice. Let's see for your job thing, if you're working for somebody else or doing job, how it is going to be for you guys, Leo. Nine of Cups, it's a wish fulfillment. You guys will be able to get some kind of salary hike or promotion, or you are going to feel happy or content, whatever you are doing in your job or career area right now. For some of you, you might be overworking because you feel good about it, that you are going to get something really good and meaningful in return. That's why you feel like you can do it. But most importantly, this is giving you some kind of hope and contentment and happiness, that this thing is going to make me keep going, make me stable, make me good. This is good. Wish fulfillment, happiness. Some kind of wish fulfillment is coming regarding your job, and you're going to feel quite content and happy about your work. Nice. You might get some kind of reward or recognition. Okay, for you, the guidance here is the Empress. You should see the long term potential of the situation. If this is giving you happiness and if this is giving you a long term goal of your life, you're good to go. Use your creative side, use your beautiful feminine energy to create something really beautiful and meaningful in your career, and add some kind of creativity from time to time in your work. I don't know, maybe how can you like use your creativity, your own mind to create something really beautiful, that you have to figure out, but this is the guidance I'm getting here. Let's say for example you have a very boring job, but you are doing it and you're getting good money and you're feeling content about it. What if you are going to get bored? You have to figure out ways to keep yourself in this beautiful happy energy, to keep going in this thing. Yeah, motivation. Maybe do something side by side, dancing or singing or painting or something that keeps you connected with yourself so that you can enjoy your career more. So creativity is recommended. Let's see for those who are self-employed or doing business, how it is going to be for you guys. We have the Queen of Pentacles. Wow, your career is blooming. So, for self employed people or business people, you are going to get a very stable, safe, and secure kind of position. Your work is going to show you good results. It's like maybe after a period of struggle of a year or so, you are finally putting your foot down and you're finally seeing the results of your hard work. Some kind of business or self employment is going to start flourishing from this point onwards. There are very, very good chances of you having a stable base for the future ahead of you because of your business thing. Hmm? You're going to be super focused on yourself, your money, your job, your career, your finances, and it's going to give you really good results in the coming future. It's like you understanding this is what I can do maybe for the rest of my life, and this is working out fine for me. Finding a stable base for yourself and being very grounded, feeling very grounded about it. So business thing looks good. The guidance is the High Priestess. Listen to your intuition, honey, and keep your things, keep your plans, and keep your energies to yourself. You don't have to, tell everybody your plans. You don't have to celebrate early before it's properly done or properly rooted. Don't overshare your details. Don't overshare anything that you are doing for yourself to anyone right now, Leo. Okay, keep doing your work and keep your mouth shut and energies low key and keep doing your work. You don't have to be in this energy of, oh my god, I should share everything with everyone, or maybe specific people, like specific person or group of people. I'm not saying anything bad is happening, but it might be possible that whatever you are going to say or spill the tea for is not going to work out in your favor. you know Sometimes it happens that other person is kind of pretending to be happy for us, but they are envious and jealous, and those kind of energy literally put us down. So just try to keep your energies, keep your plans, and keep your things to yourself, and keep on working in silence. Okay, let your hard work like speak for you. Let's see for job seekers or those who are planning to start their business or have a new business thing. Let's see how it is going to be for you guys. Seven of Swords. Okay, this is a clear cut card of deceptive energy. Somebody trying to do something bad behind your back, steal from you, lying to you, cheating on you. Maybe somebody taking money from you on the name of, okay, I'm going to get you a good job, or I'm going to like help you to start a good business or something. Do not, I repeat, do not give money to anybody. Do not give your important information or documents to anybody. Basically, don't trust anyone blindly, Leo, because you might fall in some kind of rabbit hole and you will not be able to come out easily. There is certain kind of deceptive energies around you right now when it comes to a new job, new work, new business thing. So be very, very careful about who you are going to share your documents with, who you are going to give your money to, who you are going to share your secrets with, whatever secrets in this area of your life, because there are quite deceptive energies around you. So if you are planning to pay somebody a huge amount of money to get you a good job or to get your business started, think 100 times before doing it, or tell them that you want the work to be done first and then you are going to proceed further. And if you're trying to bribe somebody, don't do that. It's not going to work out in your favor. It's actually going to be against you in some way in the coming future. Maybe not right now, but try not to do that. Okay, it's a warning for you. The guidance is the judgment. See, you have to let go of certain kind of deceptive energies around the situation, around your work or job or career area. For some of you, it could be possible that you know that somebody else deserves this, and you are trying to steal their position, or you are trying to steal their career opportunity or something like that. Don't do that, because again, karma is going to be a bitch, and that's going to slap you harder than you will be able to handle. Don't try to steal somebody else's position or somebody else's work if they deserve it. Plus, beware of who you are going to trust, and beware of bribing and all that things. Doesn't feel good, doesn't seem good. So you have to let go of this idea of trying to get something done in a deceptive way. Otherwise, it's going to backfire. So just wait, try to go ahead in a positive way, the way you should. Wait for the right time, right kind of energies, or else you have to face issues here. Yeah. Let's see for your finances what we have till the mid of September. Leo. Hermit card. It's like you are going to make very wise decisions, very wise choices. You are going to use your wisdom and experience when it comes to your finances. Yeah, it's like either you are going to take some kind of help from somebody, maybe an advice from somebody who's an expert, an elder person of your family, or somebody who knows how to deal with finances and how to handle finances really well, and it's going to work out in your favor eventually, slowly but surely. Okay, but it's really, really this kind of energy of using your wisdom and experience and knowledge to have a stable base for your finances, and it will start working out in your favor. It's going to be slow, but it's going to be steady. Nice, beautiful. For you, the guidance here is the Five of Wands. If you are not able to figure it out yourself, if your mind is telling you to go in thousand directions to get your finances on track, definitely you should take help from somebody. Maybe take help from a professional person who works in financial sector. Maybe, there are lots of people these days who can help you to build a good portfolio. So you can take help from somebody who can help you in going through this financial issues. Now, I got a mail few days back where a person, where a student was there. He said, "I don't have any finances, ma'am. How to relate with the financial readings?" Honey, you don't have to. Now you have to just study and work on your job thing. This portion is not for you then. Okay, and if you are looking for your parents or somebody else, then look for their sign. Then it's your sign is not going to decide your parents energies. They have a different energy. Okay, so yeah, if you are disturbed, if you are not able to understand what you should do, and if your mind is taking you in so many directions, take help from somebody who is expert in this field. Maybe a mentor, maybe financial expert who can help you. Check out for the reviews and everything before spilling all the beans in front of anybody. Yeah, beware. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Leo. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.